Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a drop down list in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So if you want to make a drop down list here, you will go into this data tab here, and here you will see this data web validation option. So first of all, you need to select a cell where you basically want your list to be appear. So in this case I will select this cell here, and then I will click on this data validation option, and in this settings tab here you will select list from here. Okay, in this allow drop down menu you will select your list here, and then basically you have to enter the source here. Okay, so the source is maybe a row or a column that contains values that you want to appear in this list. So let's suppose that if we want to appear these 4 names in the drop down list. Okay, so what you will do here, you will basically select these names here. So you will click on this one, and then you will select your names here, and now you can see that it has automatically selected this column here with these names. Then again click on this option here, and it will bring back to this data validation view, and from here you will select OK. And now you can see that we have this drop down icon in this cell here. So when you click on this one, you will see that we have these names here. So let's suppose if I want to show this name, I will select on this name, and this name will be shown here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.